गुड मॉर्निंग स्कूल।
मॉर्निंग मैम।
भूख लग रही है ना?
यस मैम।
बहुत जोर से।
यस मैम।
थोड़ा सा पेशेंटली सुन पाओगे? थोड़ा सा, okay? Please bear with me because you know that whenever there is any event, any program, we need to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each member, right? So it's not that कि हम आए, हमारा performance हुआ, okay? There are so many people, so many departments, so many organizers behind the successful completion of our 88th Independence Day. So first of all, respected Principal Sir, esteemed colleagues and my dear students, a very happy 88th Independence Day. Can you repeat after me? Happy Independence Day. Jor jor se.
Happy Independence Day.
Okay. Before I extend a series of people behind the successful organization of this program, I'd like to drive your attention towards the dais on the stage. It's written something out there. Can you read it? It's written Yuva Shakti for Viksit Bharat at the rate 2047. Do you know the meaning behind this? In the year 2047, India will be most probably completing how many years of independence? How many years? It's 80th year of independence, right? So by 2047, we'll be almost marking how many? 100 years of independence. So it's an initiative launched by the government of India that by 2047 we expect our youth, our country to be self-reliant in various sectors just like education, female empowerment, or India is targeted to have full self-reliance by 2047. So you people are part of this journey. So when you are at the year of 2047, you will definitely see a Viksit Bharat. ठीक है? Okay. एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन के साथ छोड़ते हुए मैं आगे वोट ऑफ थैंक्स को बढ़ाना चाहूंगी। हम अपने 88th year में हैं, and when you start looking from 1947 till this year 2026, we have drastically developed in various sectors. लेकिन जब हम patriotism की बात करते हैं, when we talk about patriotism, there's one thing we forget it. आज के दिन में हमें अपने देश पे बहुत प्यार आता है. Are we all being proud being an Indian today? Do you feel that goosebumps? Do you feel, yes my dear students, do you feel it? लगता है proud? क्या एक दिन के लिए होना चाहिए independence? होना चाहिए नहीं? Come on. हाँ या नहीं? No. Okay. So patriotism also comes from being a part of Navodaya. You people are learning one thing. क्या है पता है? ये जितना भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आसपास देख रहे हो ना, क्लासरूम्स हो, जितनी चीजें लगे हैं, ये किसके हैं? किसके लिए है? हमारे लिए है ना? है? हाँ या ना बोल दो? Okay. So I feel that if we Indians or India has to come under the developed category, we need to develop a sense of, we call it as civic sense. Civic sense पता होता है क्या होता है? क्लासरूम में बैठे हो, मैंने ये नोटिस भी किया था, बोला भी है, अपनी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और प्रॉपर्टी की रक्षा करने की जिम्मेदारी हमारी होती है, किसी और की नहीं। ठीक है? इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना लिया, फिर उसके बाद जो प्रोग्राम एंड होता है, अगर हम ये सारे आइटम्स को ऐसे छोड़ के चले गए, वो सिविक सेंस में नहीं कहलाता है। So you people have to learn to develop that love towards your own infrastructure, whatever is provided to us. Okay, so proper civic sense. So just leaving a question to you people, does patriotism comes at the cost of civic sense or not? Okay, think about it, and in the coming classes I want these answers from your side. Okay, so now I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to a list of committees that had been formed. First of all, please put your hands together for the welcome committee, Mrs. Pragati Sharma and Ms. Bujumuni, who have done a wonderful job to the welcome. Next, for the flag hoisting committee and march past committee, we have Ms. Sakshi and Mr. O.P. Luniwal sir. For the decoration committee, you can already see such a wonderful decoration that has been done by our own art sir, Mr. Dilip Kumar. Please put your hands tightly. Come on. जोर से तालियां जोर से बजनी चाहिए. मैं भी खाली पेट ही हूँ, ठीक है? I also do not have my papers. Please put your hands together. Next we have Mr. Anirudh. For the seating arrangement committee, we have Mr. Amit Kumar, Mr. Pramod Kumar, Mr. Sachin, and Miss Mamuni. For the cultural program, we have Mrs. Anjushri Roy, Mr. Saurabh, Mr. Anupam, and Miss Momita. Under the prize distribution committee, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude thanks to Mr. M.K. Jha sir, Mr. Dilip Kumar, and Mrs. Ruchira Pottar. For the discipline and safety committee, we have all the HMs and HMs, hostel superintendents and matrons who have really looked behind the discipline. Next, we also have the refreshment committee. Refreshment committee बहुत important है ना? अभी तो खाना मिलने वाला है. So we have Mr. Sandeep Kumar. जोरदार तालियों के साथ उनके लिए तालियां बजाओ. Mess staff, Miss Balama, Mr. Niranjan Boda, and Ponam Bey. Next, for the PE system arrangement, would like to thank Mr. Attari sir and Bibik behind it. Lastly, for photography, I would like to thank Sir Ritesh Kumar because he was standing entirely through the sun and he has done a wonderful job. Thank you so much, sir. Now, we can't forget our students, है ना? Students के लिए सबसे पहले अगर मैं भूल जाऊँ तो माफ कर देना because कई बार होता है कि हम भूल जाते हैं word of thanks देना. So from the student committee, we have firstly the anchors who have done such a wonderful job. Please put your hands together for Sangeeta and Nihal Langtisa. You people have really done a wonderful job in terms of anchoring. For today's speech, I would also like to thank for Mr. Pramod Kumar for enlightening our students with his words. और बाकी चीज़ें भी हैं. मैंने देखा भी और मैं ये चीज़ मिस आउट नहीं करना चाहती हूँ कि कोई पर्टिकुलर क्लास का नाम तो नहीं लेना चाहेंगे बट स्टिल उनको अप्रिशिएशन की बहुत ज़रूरत है बिकॉज जब तक हम उन बच्चों को अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगे बाकी लोग भी मोटिवेट नहीं होंगे. सो फॉर द बैचेस दैट यू आर सीइंग राइट नाउ, this has all been done by class 11 girls till 1 o'clock in the night yesterday. Please put your hands loudly for these people. Okay. Next, we also have the certificate part. The certificate distribution that you have that you received is also done under the supervision of these girls only. That is class 11 girls who have entirely spent their time writing down the certificate. So thank you so much. Okay. Besides that, we always say कि seniors को आगे आना चाहिए. तो आज के प्रोग्राम के लिए मैं पूरे क्लास 12, क्लास 11 और क्लास 10 को अप्रिशिएशन यहाँ से एक्सटेंड करना चाहूँगी. You people were in the background. There were so many people in the background looking after proper organization, sending the students on time and also cheering your house from that side. It was really good to see. हाँ, कुछ enthusiasm की कमी लगी. Next time हम उसको improve करेंगे. याद रखो, नवोदय में जो हाउस सिस्टम बनता है ना, it is to develop a spirit of leadership and cooperation. Please chair your houses whenever they are coming up. So thank you so much for entirely handling the system. And obviously we cannot forget the mentors behind each activity that was conducted, whether it was the march past competition, whether it was the cultural event, whether it was any other competition. So I'd also like to thank each mentors behind them who have guided them such wonderfully. The practice, the rehearsal sessions, the outcome was reflected. So thank you so much. And obviously, I would not like to forget one person behind the entire program. We have Ma'am Manjushri Roy, who puts her effort every day. She is being occupied for the last 4-5 days, and I would like to extend my gratitude. Yes, we also have one more छोटा सा बच्चा here. विवेक के लिए भी तालियां बन जाए, because अभी से ये लोग सीखेंगे ना, आगे चल के बहुत अच्छे से संभाल पाएंगे. Okay, so that was from my side. And obviously, I cannot forget our honorable principal, sir, who is the mastermind and the person who guides and motivates every staff member to be better each and every day. So, thank you so much, sir. Okay, before we disperse, there is an announcement. The announcement is that after this, you all will assemble up out here for the counting, because counting is very, very necessary according to housewives. After the counting, you will move towards your dormitory, take your plates and go for your breakfast in the mess. Okay? And today we'll have the beating retreat ceremony at 5:30 p.m. You have to assemble here, and at 4 o'clock you will have your as usual counting in your respective dormitories. Is it clear? Okay, so okay, you should not. You are not supposed to come. No need to come here in the sun. As we do the counting, you can line up in the galleries as we do. Okay, so just one. And yes, after the program, the house on duty or whoever is behind this will stay back to disperse all the items back to their respective places. Okay. Also, before you disperse, girls are supposed to disperse from the front gate and the boys will disperse from the gate at the back side, okay? So be very careful, there should not be any rush. So kindly assemble.